Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. Great to be back with you once again. Welcome all. Sorry about the slight delay there. Had a bit of a technical issue trying to get things up and running, but we're here now, and hopefully are we coming through? Yes, I think we're starting to come through now. Brilliant. Okay, here we go. So welcome to the show this afternoon. Lovely to have you here. A lot of breaking news this afternoon. As you can see, the stocks are looking great. We're getting a lot of interest now, a lot of volume on high-tech stocks, high-risk stocks, which is great because it's what I'm in, what I love. So very, very exciting stuff. Let's have a little look at our position right now. Let's get straight into it. We've got two surprises as well coming up later in the show as well. So if it's your first time here, click subscribe. Yes, we can hear and see you. Great, fantastic. Click subscribe, ring the bell, and give us a thumbs up as well. There we go. Good stuff. And we've got an exciting extra cash giveaway coming up this afternoon as well. So get ready for it. You're going to like this one. It's going to be good. And we'll do it today live in the show. All right. In fact, I'm just trying to think how we can do this now. Just trying to think how we can do it. Oh, I know it. I know how we can do it. I've got it. I've worked it out. I've got another cash giveaway, so it's exciting stuff. Yes, can hear and see you. Thank you very much indeed. We got Mike is here. We got Brick Mark is here. Love the Lego, by the way. I got a Lego set for anniversary. Leah bought me an anniversary gift, and it's a Lego set. I've not had one since I was a kid, so I'm looking forward to it. Looking forward to making a little Lego set. Anyway, should be fun. Okay, let's have a look. Virgin Galactic is up 8.56, looking very nice today. Still down 8.66%, but it's good to see it up today. Virgin Orbit, the big story of the day. This is what we're talking about today. 22.81 up today. Tesla is up, just falling back slightly, but not a big issue, not a worry, really. Okay, if you've just come in, smash the like, subscribe, ring the bell. We have a cash giveaway today. Another cash giveaway. Fantastic, really, really exciting. And we're going to announce it in a minute. And we'll do it today. You ready? All right. Let's see who's with me. And looking good. Looking at now Rivian, it's popped up and back down again. It's I'm down 3% on it. I'm holding it for the minute. I'm looking to clear away some more stocks though. I have a few things I want to get rid of. Good morning. Is that good morning, family? Good morning, market profit. Morning. What? Where are you in the world today? Australia? Good morning, market profit. There you go. Soren S. Hello. How are you? So I've been clearing out some stocks today. Market profit, you mentioned yesterday that you might be interested in getting back into some Bitcoin, as in BTC. And at these lows, I decided to add a position into Bitcoin because I think looking at it, this 20,000 is holding, and even if it drops, I've allocated 3% of my portfolio, 3% of my portfolio to crypto. So I think 3% is a safe amount. Last night when I was out at the restaurant in one of the Saltgrasses, steakhouses, they're now giving Bitcoin rewards, and I'm seeing it pop up all over the place. Bitcoin's being adopted. So I thought, you know what? Despite everything that's happened recently, I think 3%, the fact that Bitcoin has fallen so much recently, I thought, you know what? I used to have this at 33,000. I thought, you know what? I'm going to put 3% in it. So I've got 1%, 0.99% at the moment. I think that's a small enough position to not worry about, but I believe we have a significant leg lower. That's what I thought. So at the moment, I've got 0.82% in Ethereum. I'm only going to go on these three. Paul B says, if you invest in BTC right now, you're off your head. It's only because I'm seeing so much adoption in it. I know it could fall. I know it could fall, but that's how I've bought a tiny, tiny bit. 0.99%, not even 1% of my portfolio, a tiny bit. So basically, what I'm looking at now is I will hold that. It's a tiny, tiny position. If BTC goes down to 10,000, something like that, I would then just buy the same amount, which would halve my loss, and I would leave it like that. That's how I'm going to play that. That's how I'm going to play that. All right. I'm not going to buy any more BSV. I've got 11. That's plenty. I would buy another $400 worth of BTC if it goes down to 10,000. So then I'll halve my loss. That's the way I look at it. And I will leave it like that. That's, I think, the way I'm going to play that. All right. So then we have another cash giveaway today. And I'm going to explain to you in a minute what that's all about. Because our friend this morning who won the cash prize was unable to, because of his account, to verify his Cash App, and he says give it back into give it to someone else. So we have another cash giveaway. We have $10 not claimed. I'm not going to profit from it. He gave it back to give to you, so that's exactly what we're going to do. I think it was Brickbrack. Yes, Brickbrack. It was you, wasn't it? Was it Brickbrack? I think it was. Let me just check. No, it wasn't. No, it wasn't. It was Timmy Tom. Oh, that is Brickbrack, isn't it? I think that is you. The little Lego men. Let's have a look. Timmy Tom. Yeah. Timmy Tom. I think that was you. Yes, it was me. Yes, I thought so. So we're going to give it away again because he was unable to verify his Cash App. Sometimes if you've not gone through all the processes and stuff like that, it's not verified. So you need to verify it. But he said, don't worry, give it back to somebody else, which is very kind. So we're going to give it away. How cool is that? Some big news in energy markets. I have some dire predictions, but I don't want to be doom and gloom as everybody hates me being... No, we don't. No, we don't. No, we do not. I certainly do not. I want to hear the truth. I'm not interested in doom and gloom or bad or good. I'm interested in the facts presented to you at the time. So please do share it. Everyone hates me being... No, absolutely not. Share it. Mark it. Go for it. There you go. Mike agrees with me. Soren S, 20,000 is a psychological point, very hard to go below. Again, psychological is very, very important. Remember, I've always said I trade on people's emotions. If it goes below 20, it'll tumble like a rocket because people, regular folks like me, will think, oh my God, look at this. It's going to go all the way down. It's just a number on a screen. Bitcoin doesn't know it's a number. None of the stocks know they're a number, but people understand numbers. And if we see it break 20,000, it'll just sound like cheap, even though it's not. 20,000, 19,000, 10,000, 1,000 for a string of code on a screen. Of course it's expensive. Never just disrespect money. It's a lot of money, period. End of story. Theodore Roll, enough with this doom and gloom, with the day trader, where things bloom. I like it. A true crusader. Let's wait for the next boom. Bearish moods turned into vapor. Make room to shoot for the moon. I love it. There's a bit of poetry there from Theodore, one of our Twitchers over there. Hey, great. Now then, we've got 2 viewers. We've now moved up to 1.9 average. If we could get at least 3 people today, ideally 4 or 5 in Twitch, we might over the weekend get our average of 3. We only need to do it once, and then I'll be an affiliate. So if you're not over on Twitch right now, here's my Twitch account. Do not abandon YouTube for Twitch, but if you could keep a tab open or another device, it really would help. If I can get at least 3 today, we might do it now because we've got 55 followers. Sonic just followed me. Kickles just followed me. And all we need now is a couple to hold it and we'll be there. So that'll be really, really great. And then once we get affiliate, then Twitch will promote our channel and we'll get more YouTubers. See how all this works? All right, very, very important. Good, good, good. Okay, now then, I said to you, we have a cash giveaway. We have a cash giveaway today because of our friend here, Mr. Legoman Brickbrack. He was unable to claim his prize, so he said, give it back to somebody else. So what we're going to do today, first of all, everybody smash the like button. I noticed we got, I think you do this on purpose. Right, we got 22 watching, 8 likes. So we want 20 likes in 1 minute. Here we go. And then we're going to give away another $10. Here we go. At home, chiggy, you, chiggy, you, boo. I think you do it on purpose, just to get me to make these silly noises. I know what it is. Chiggy, you, chiggy, you, boo, Real Satoshi, please stand up. Say please stand up. Would the real Satoshi please stand up? Nakamoto, that'll do. 24 seconds, I want 10 more likes. There's 24 watching. We're going to give away a $10 cash prize again today. Very, very nice. This is courtesy of Brickbrack. Brickbrack says I can't claim it. My Cash App isn't verified, so give it to someone else. How nice of Brickbrack was that? Very nice indeed. Right, let me end the timer. There we go. All right, did we do it? All right then. Let's have a little look. Smash the like button. Let me go over to here a minute. Let me change that screen. Did we do it? We got 13 likes. It's not too bad. iMarket, how are you? Leonard Rodriguez. Hello, everyone. We have a new guest here this afternoon. Would everybody welcome Leonardo Rodriguez? So let's welcome him in, a guest into the family this afternoon. My name is Martyn Lucas, voted by Elton John as the World Piano Man. Let me give you a wave. In my TV studio here, we've raised over $1 million for charities and all our members. It's what we do here, live every day. We do fundraisers. It's free. You keep all the money. I just love to do it. All right. We've got a cash prize giveaway today coming up for $10 for everyone who's involved. It's free to enter, free for all. Who wants to win $10? Right. Hello, everyone. So I'm from Dallas, Texas. That's where I am right now. But my studio is in Texas, and my home is in the United Kingdom, in Cornwall, in England. Lovely to have you here. What part of the world are you from? Would everybody put their cities and countries in? That would be absolutely marvelous if everyone could do that. Okay, so here we go. Have a look at market profits message here. Energy markets are showing extreme weakness right now. It's mirroring 2008 almost identically. Now, are we talking about oil and stuff? Because I was never in that. I was never in that at all. I don't like any of that stuff. I never got into it. As you all know, I'm EV, solar, wind. I'm not in any energy, but are you referring to renewable energy? Because one of our renewable energy stocks is GSK. I've closed this position, haven't I? Yeah, I don't want that open. GSK. Let me close that one a minute. So let me get rid of that one. Hang on a second. GSK. Cut. Okay. This one here, Enphase Energy. This energy stock is doing absolute blinding business. Probably the best stock ever. Look, 23,000% up. I got in this on the dip. I only bought 2.5 shares. I haven't got any money to spend on it, and I'm already up 3% on it. Even though I was down 10% with a big crash this morning, it's bounced back up again. Enphase Energy. So this is solar. This is solar, looking really, really great. Anyway, that one's looking very, very nice, and I'm holding that one. I wish I had more, but there you go. That's all I have. Hi, Tom. Here is Paddy. I'm good, Paddy. Hello, everyone. Peter Maycock's here. Awesome studio. Thank you ever so much. If you are a member or you make a super chat request of at least $10 or just become a member, which is cheaper, it's only a couple of bucks, I do a live request. We do birthday celebrations. I do 14 voices in 7 different languages. I can go to the piano and do Elton John, Billy Joel, live in the show for a bit of fun. We do that as well. Robbie Cooper's here. How are you? 27, only 14 likes. How rude. Come on, folks. I agree. Rob McLean. Rob McLean will tell you. He ain't messing about. Here's Rob McLean.
That you can have today is to join the Martyn Lucas show. Make yourself some money and have fun with a great group of friends at the same time. Go for it.
Robbie Cooper, sorry been busy, now only managed to join. I know, I'll forgive you. Market Profit is back, the Return of the Kings. Wonderful, that Return of the King. Sounds like Lord of the Rings. It's actually wonderful to see our original members who all left when Peru came in. We lost Muzanella, we upset Market Profit, we upset quite a few. Ali Isles disappeared. Several of our original members disappeared, but they're all back today. And Muzanella, very important. He's one of our biggest investors. He's a bigger investor than Peru alluded to be. And he's back. He didn't like all the drama. So it's wonderful to have him back as well. Really, really great. See, I told you, keep off the baked beans. It always gives you wind. Hey? Where did that just suddenly come up from? What's all that about? Did anyone hear any more from Peru? I've heard nothing at all. But the strange thing was, in fact, we're not going to talk about it. Let's move on. Hi to you, Leonardo. There you go. You're getting a message from Patty, Leonardo. This is Leonardo. She called in. She's one of our members. She called in. Here we go.
Hello to everybody. I'm calling from Tuscany, near Pisa. I'm very, very happy to be here. It's very amazing. It's very funny. And to share friendship, a great channel, because you're sympathetic, because it's a great family, a pleasure, and a great emotion.
There you go. The answer to Robbie Cooper, yes, Paul B did, but if he doesn't want to share that, that's perfectly fine with him. A major deflationary impulse via oil and gas is on the horizon, and I believe it is mirroring the 2008 energy great before the great financial crisis. Unfortunately, it will not reflect on the next CPI. So if oil comes down, though, that's good for business, but just bad for the oil stocks, right? Well, that's perfect for me, because I'm an EV, I'm a solar wind man. But if you are an investor in oil, but I've always said that oil, is coming to the end of its history. That's only my humble opinion, but I am very much into the environmental stuff. So I would say that. Market profit bust. What does that mean exactly? Apologies. No worries, Robbie. Robbie, I'm on Discord trading server with him and 30 others plus DM. Robbie, I'm in a Discord trading server with him and 30 others plus DM. There we go. Paddy, Paul and Paul, be hi. Hi, guys. Good to have you here. Paul, good evening. Paddy. Leonardo Rodriguez gave us away. Market Profit, what are your thoughts on the Fed announcement recently? Do you think we have more months of red? Is today a temporary swing? I think it possibly is. It's why I've sold into strength today. I've cleared out some rubbishy stocks that I didn't want today. Cost per litre and gallon should drop soon. That is good for business. That is good for people, that is good for inflation, that is good for many, many things other than the oil companies. Of course, they want the price to be high. Up 22.5 pence per litre over the last 4 weeks. By the way, all our Americans, just look at this. Gas, or petrol as we call it in England, is a lot more expensive than it is in the US. So you think it's bad here, go to the UK. Go to the UK, it's a lot. It's why everybody drives a car that does at least 30 miles per gallon, where in Texas, the average car or truck around here does about 7 miles per gallon. So there you go. A lot more fuel efficient cars in the UK and Europe, and they have no choice because the economy, the fuel is a lot more expensive. Robbie says we will see a green day for the rest of June and July. Long time unsure, but after the Fed's announcement, the news has been digested and sort of classed as old news, and now in how the market operates. 1.87 a litre is an utter joke. It is. Again, our American audience, you need to look at this. It's a lot more expensive in the UK than it is here in the US. Market profit, I think they will pivot soon, Rob, but no more supersized hikes. They are late to tightening and will be crushing demand into deflationary impulse. A drastic drop in oil is a sign of recession fears, but recession also does mean we're at the bottom of the market. I've read that. Warren Buffett often says that. You need to identify the recession before anybody else to buy the bottom. Some people are now saying we have hit bottom. So that's very interesting. Some people are also saying inflation has peaked. That's also a good time to buy in. Great to have market profit back and yin and the yang and the yes. The yin and the yang are trading back together. Absolutely. I forgot about that. Market profit is the yang to me yin to me yang, me yong to me yong to me yong. Oh, whatever it is. None of that makes any sense. Right. Hi, everyone. And Ali Isles, our security guard in charge of security and entertainment, is back as well. Lovely. Right. Here we go. I told you Brick Brack donated his $10 cash prize back into the pot today. So we have a cash prize to give away. So we're going to make sure everybody's up to date before I announce it. So here we go with our quick commercial. Make sure, as Ali tells you, press the live button. Make sure you turn from grey to red and you will be you'll be up to date. So here comes the commercial break. All right, some of you see it, some of you don't. Thanks for the insight, market profit. Time to average or would you wait? Well, that's the big question. Not being a gloomer, but far from the bottom. But you're right on inflation. It's rolling over faster than anyone is thinking. So not being a gloomer, but far from the bottom, but you're right on inflation. It's rolling over faster than anyone is thinking. So that's good. I've just got to skip the ad. I just noticed it there. I haven't got premium right now, so I send my YouTube crazy. I'm not paying for premium anymore. Make sure you press the live. There you go. If you had to guess, where would you say bottom on NASDAQ is? That's a good question. Right. Okay. Now then, because Brick Brack said, I'm happy for somebody else to take the prize, which was very kind of him. I thought that was very nice. We have another cash giveaway, and we're going to announce it now. So this one is a bit special. This one's a bit special because during the day, I've had a bit of interest on my Kickstarter for Virgin Orbit. There's a YouTube channel in the UK that do nothing but Virgin Orbit and the UK space station. And Tim Peake, one of the British astronauts, is involved. And they were messaging me today. So very exciting about what's coming up on July the 1st with our Virgin Orbit campaign. So what we're going to do, I have 2 videos coming out at the end of the show. Look, scroll down. We have space buy now. I believe it will go to $100, right? And VORB versus SPCE. VORB versus SPCE. 2 very short 1-2 minute videos. Very short. Okay. So what we're going to do to win our cash prize, all right, and we will give it away. We will give it away on Tuesday when you come back. But why I'm saying it today is, you've got an extra chance to win. The way I've set up the comment picker is people who comment in the premiere when it first comes out, get a more chance of winning. It gives you more points to win. Does that make sense? You can watch it all over the weekend as many times as you want, but to get it to go viral when it first comes out, right? You are encouraged to watch it when it comes out. Then you will get extra points. Okay, so there are 2 videos, and the word to leave in both of them, and you have to watch both, is SPCE. SPCE. All right. These are the 2 videos. Now they premiere at 1/4 and 1/2. There it is. Here are the 2 videos. Okay. Let me put a space between so it's vid 2. Hang on. Vid 2 and vid 1. Let me call it that. Vid 1. Okay, there we go. I think that'll probably make it clear. All right, there we go. Let me copy and paste that again, make it clearer. All right. Oh, I see. It doesn't actually put gaps in between. Okay, that's as clear as I can make it. Who's watching Love Island in half an hour? Love Island? Who the bloody hell watches that? Rob, surely you ain't. Rob, surely you are. Rob, surely you are. There he goes. So anyway, there you go. The video comes out 1/4. If you are a subscriber and you've notified, you'll get notified. 1/4 and 1/2. All right. So watch it live. Leave a like, leave a chat, and then go below and leave a comment. And you can do it now. So anyone who does it now before the premiere, you get extra points. And then on Tuesday, we'll give away the $10. All right. And you can do it as many times as you want over the weekend. All right, there we go. Let's try and get a viral video. That first hour when a video comes out is the most important time. All right. And we're trying to get this whole Virgin Orbit thing to take off now. So that's what it's all about. Virgin Galactic up 6.27, up 8.56, sorry. That's what I meant to say. And Virgin Orbit just peaked off a little bit, though. Tesla up 1.9. Rivian is down 0.68. Lucid is up 6. Behave yourself. Paul B goes, I ain't watching it. I ain't bloody interested. Right, listen, let me open up the green room. If anybody wants to call in, I'd love to hear Paul B's thoughts on Bitcoin today, BTC. I believe there's not a lot of volume of buying at the moment. People are expecting it to crash all the way down. I'd like to hear and what fundamental reasons that Paul B might have. He's our crypto guy. So I'm going to open it up now. The broadcast lounge is open. If Paul B's got some information, why you think, not just feelings or anything like that. Why you think Bitcoin can crash down. Let me know. All right. We need one more person in Twitch to keep our average. We've got to have at least 3 people to keep the average. We've only got 2. Our average now is 1.9. We need 3. So if you're not in Twitch and you're able to open a second tab, we need to get an average of 3. We can open it up. I know Mike's there. And I'll see how quickly Mike responds. It's because he's made sure he clicks the red button. He's always live. I've noticed that. Mike is extremely quick on responding to me. There's the Twitch if you're interested. All right. BTC going down. Right, well, this is what we want to get more information on. I added a small position today at 20,000. I used to average like 35. CNV Studio is there. We have 2. We're only averaging. We want 1. We want what a gong show. What's a gong show? Breaking news, the Biden administration potentially issuing out gas cards to all Americans in the coming weeks. Wow, I've never heard of that. I've never heard of such a thing. Giving out gas cards. So what, so the government are going to pay for the gas? Oh my God. Can America afford that? More debt? Bloody hell, really? What goes up must come down. Spinning wheels got to go round. Ali Isles, how much have you drank? What are the gas cards? Peter Maycock. We'd love to know about this. Anyway, let's... that's incredible. Never heard of that one. The government paying for your gas. That's like giving everyone stimulus checks. They did this in the 70s. Is that right? They gave people like cards to pay for gas. Here we go. Ali Isles is back with his bloody sauce. Gas vouchers for everyone. Oh, yes, we got the 3 viewers. Great. We got the 3 viewers today. That's it. We need to hold 3 viewers and then we'll be good. If we get any more, it'll just mean we'll ramp up quicker. That's great. Peter Maycock, can you believe it? Ali Sauce is banned. Yeah, don't you dare ban Ali Isles. I want to hear all about it. Virgin Orbit is just dropping back a little bit off its peak today. I did trade some on the way up, but I'd like to keep a position in it. Rivian came up and back down again. Rivian is really struggling to get off the ground at these prices. Rivian is really struggling. When you compare it to Tesla, which is trying to push up, Rivian, it really doesn't hold for very long. It has a little blip and back down again. Mods can't mod a mod. Oh, that's right. Oh, yeah, that's right. Ali Isles is a mod. Yeah, mods can't mod. Mods can't mod. That's because we trust our mods. Mods can't moderate mods. What does that sound? That sounds pretty crazy, right? Okay. So we got 20 minutes to go before the bell goes. Where are we going to end up? Let's have a look. All our stocks. Amazon is up today, 2%. Hi, Martin. Alicia. Is Alicia just gone over to Twitch? Did I miss that? We might have 4 people. Brilliant. All right. Want to welcome all our guests on TikTok this afternoon. Would you like to win $10? One of our members was unable to receive his prize today, and he said, give it to somebody else. How nice is that? So if you'd like to win $10 cash prize, we're giving it away on Tuesday morning in our opening bell show. It's an extra cash giveaway. We've got extra cash giveaways. And Paul B is also... you wasn't here earlier, Paul B, when I told everybody. Paul B, are you still here, Paul B? Paul B is sponsoring a cash giveaway as well. He's giving away $10 of Doge. I've already purchased the Doge. I already have it. This is courtesy of Paul B. This is going out on Tuesday as well. So we have 2 cash giveaways on Tuesday when we come back, because we're not here on Monday because it's bank holiday, right? Look at this. This is the Doge currently, and it's going up in price, you lucky people. I bought it in, and it's going up in price all the time. So you might end up with $5 million worth of Doge by Tuesday. Here it is. This is my Doge this morning. I bought with the money I got from Paul B. Paul B is sponsoring the giveaway. Well, we got 4 followers in Twitch. Yes, we might get the average today then. We might get it. So on Tuesday when we come back, we're giving away a $10 cash prize for the Virgin Galactic and Virgin Orbit. And we're also giving away this Doge here. It's going up in value all the time. There you go. That Doge will be $5 by Tuesday. Oh, we hope not. We hope not. We want it to go up. We want it to be $1 million for you. Mind you, if it goes to $1 million, I might not give it out. I might go, hang on a minute. I said $10. No. We bought the Doge. That's all the Doge I have. And I will give it all away on Tuesday. All right. And to win that one, if you want to win that one, this is the Doge giveaway. This is the Doge giveaway. I tell you what, we are too good for people. This is Paul B. I want everyone now in the chat. I think you need to say, in fact, I'm going to change the rules. The comment isn't Doge. No, the comment isn't Doge. I'm changing it. We love Paul B. I'm changing it. Some of you are going to go, I've already watched it. too bad. I'm going to change the rules. Paul B's giving away Doge. I bought it this morning, so here it is. So if you want to be in the Doge giveaway, I'm giving away all my Doge on Tuesday. You need to leave the comment, "We love Paul B." We love Paul B. Hey, even if you win, Paul B, it doesn't matter if you comment. I want you to comment back to these people, all right? That's what we're going to do, all right? We love Paul B. There's the video. You can watch it now until Tuesday morning, right? And I want Paul B to go and check the comments and comment back to everybody, all right? We love Paul B. And then Paul B has got to comment back. Leonardo Rodriguez, you don't comment in here. You watch this video. It's like a 1 minute, 50-second video. And each time you watch it all the way through, you leave a comment, "We love Paul B." Paul B sponsored it. And each time you watch it, and each time you leave the comment, you got to like it as well. You will be in the draw for Tuesday. For all my Doge, I'm going to give it away. All this Doge here, I'm going to give away. All right? That all gets given away for free. But it's courtesy of Paul B. I bought it with his money, and you're all going to get it on Tuesday. Okay. And everyone has to reply to Paul B. You've got to reply, and they reply to you. Right, Paul B. Here he is. Paul B's in the chat. We're going to have some fun with Paul B now. He's going to be a very busy man. He's going to be a very busy man now, replying to all your comments. So here we go. Paul B is live on the Day Trader. How are you, Paul B?
How are we?
I'm all right, mate. How are you?
Yeah, I'm all right. You've kind of made me blush with all this Paul B rubbish going up the screen.
Do what, mate?
You've kind of made me blush with all the Paul B stuff going up the screen.
Hey, listen, we're going to make you famous, and we're also going to blow up your YouTube channel, because what's going to happen now, everyone's going to watch your video, and thank you very much for sponsoring the giveaway and donating the money. It's brilliant. They're all going to put "We love Paul B" in the comment below that video, and if you reply with your account, your what do you call it? Your user handle or whatever. Your channel will blow up a little bit as well if everyone's commenting on you. So people will see that, people will go, "Who's this Paul B guy?" And they'll all start clicking on your channel. So there you go, Paul.
I'm an Englishman that lives in North Korea.
I know. Apparently, you live in North Korea. Oh my God, that's going to be.
You've got to have a laugh with these sort of things as well. You can't always be dead straight faced, can you? Because everyone would be boring otherwise.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. You got to have a laugh with it. If we lose all our money, we go down smiling. If we make a lot of money, we celebrate. Either way, we win. Either way, we win. It's all good.
Well, I said the other day in one of the messages, I'm sure Market Profit and others will probably say different, but I said when we had this crash, you'd probably see a lot of sideways bit for now before the next period of bang would happen.
Okay.
And that was my thought. And I did, and you've obviously mentioned about why do I think BTC is going to crash.
Okay.
There's multiple problems going on behind the scenes.
Okay.
Tether is a big one. And the last 2 days now, 2 billion has vanished from Tether. It disappeared, gone. Nobody knows where. Nobody knows why.
Right.
That's been put about. So that is one of the biggest problems that's facing BTC and the market as a whole. Because if that collapses,
yeah,
you're going to see a lot of people lose. I mean, people have lost money now, but crikey, it'll be like turning your tap on full blast and just free fall.
Yeah,
it really will.
Yeah.
And we felt the effects of the lunar problem.
Yeah.
The Celsius, that's ongoing.
Yeah.
That's still ongoing. I've been reading about that. That's still, they won't let anybody take any money out, which says to me they're in a load of trouble.
Right.
And then also there's the I think it's called 3 Arrow Capital or something like that. Again, similar hedge fund, loans money. That's in a heap of trouble as well. So you add that to already the ongoing issues with people pulling, retail investors pulling the money out quickly because they're panicking, and the other big hedge funds facing the liquidation in crypto. there's only really going to be one outcome.
Yeah.
It's not going to go up and people go, oh, it's going to go 30, 40K. No, it's not. Because if you look, and I'm like you, I'm not a big chart guy. I have a look. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Get myself familiar with the price, see what it's done for the day, that sort of thing.
Yeah.
But there's a couple of guys that I follow and they're not very big, like, you know, the way you've seen the YouTubers. Oh, I'm getting this BTC jumping, all that. They're not like that.
Yeah.
And these guys are really, really good with the stuff they do. And everything, this one particular fella writes about it. It's just pointing down, and it's going to go below 10K.
Yeah.
It really is.
Well, that's why
I said to you earlier before, why did you do it? Because it is going that way. Nothing else is saying otherwise.
No. Well, that's why, for me, at the moment, it's less than 1% of my portfolio. It's virtually insignificant right now. Because, again, I'm bringing into the equation people's sentiment and reaction and the way they feel. So I take my hat off to you. I know you know much more about crypto than I do. It's clearly obvious. And I've not suddenly become a BTC fan or any crypto fan.
Oh no!
But I think no. You know, it's like, to me, I regard it as buying a lottery ticket. If it goes down to 10,000, I will buy the same amount that I've got now, and that will basically halve my loss. That's the way I look at it.
Yeah.
And
I mean, Market Profits just put in the chat there now about him buying at 10,000.
Yeah, I see it.
So he's clearly of the same opinion that it is heading that way. And I think the market as a whole is under that same opinion. I think it's only really people that are maybe new and follow the panicky people that make you jump in.
Yeah.
You know, well, BTC is going to do this. Or was it Mike Novogratz? He's quite well known. I put it in the chat this afternoon. He's saying that 2/3 of crypto hedge funds will be liquidated.
Yeah.
So, I mean, if that's not giving you, you know, and the other people that I follow, if that's not giving you any alert, you know, be careful, then there's no helping people then, really.
No.
Well, you're going to have to learn the hard way.
Yeah.
And that's really, you either be careful or you learn the hard way.
Yeah.
That's really where we are now.
Yeah.
And also, as someone just put in the chat about Coinbase, they're in a whole heap of trouble as well, because their coin price, it's just dropping.
Yeah.
So there's so many factors going on that it's all going to come to a head, and it'll just drop.
Yeah.
In one big fell swoop.
Yeah. When it goes, it'll go in an instant, won't it? It'll be like a second.
Oh yeah, 100%.
Yeah.
I mean, I've seen it like with crypto. All of a sudden, $5,000 just dropped off BTC within minutes.
Yeah.
And you're like, where the hell did that come from?
Yeah. Yeah. I think.
No, but that was like, that's market manipulation with the whales being greedy beggars.
Yeah.
But I feel this will be different.
Yeah.
This will be quick.
I think people need sometimes forget as well. They disrespect the money, disrespect the value of money. You think, okay, I've got this money, I've got $100 or $1,000 or however much you've got. Before you buy any stock, whether it's crypto or a stock, because you know most of my assets are stock anyway. If you think I can make some money on BTC or any of the other ones, BSV or anything, before you do it, think, could I make more money? Would my money be better placed somewhere else? Just because Bitcoin might feel like an opportunity, well, then compare it to something else. You think, well, what about SPCE? What about Tesla? And you might decide, hang on a minute, I could probably make as much money over here as I probably could over here. So when you look at it and you go, all right, if it's at 20,000 and it goes to 30,000, right? That's, you know, how much percent that is. Well, you get percentage swings like that most days with things like Tesla or SPCE. So you think, well, hang on a minute, you know, it's not one or nothing. It's not one way or no way. You know, just because Bitcoin gets that attention of this can make you rich. There are other opportunities that could do just as much with perhaps less risk.
Oh yeah, there is that. I think one thing with crypto, I mean, people will either agree or they don't. I mean, it is everyone's opinion is different, but there are a lot more things you can do with your cryptocurrency than you can with your stock. And we've had this conversation before.
Yeah.
With your stock, you just buy it and it sits there, and you'll sell it. Whereas with your crypto, you can buy it, stake it, put it into crystal farms, purchase NFTs with it, use it in shops that support it. So there's multiple things you can do now with your cryptocurrency. And as a whole, there's only about 8 to 10%, if that, actually invested in crypto, and that's worldwide. So it gives you an idea of the scope that when crypto really begins to gallop and the amount of money that's going to come into it.
Yeah.
I think it'll over. I mean, this could be, it's my opinion. I might be wrong, but you've seen it already. Proof.
Yeah.
That Robinhood's listing crypto above stock.
It is absolutely true. Yeah.
Crypto is only growing where stocks has been around for I don't know how many years now, but crypto is still new.
I know what.
And even though we're in downturn,
I mean, this isn't a reason why you should buy or sell or anything on any crypto. But again, last night I went out. It was our anniversary dinner, and I'm sat there at a Saltgrass. Saltgrasses are all over the US, like steakhouses, in case anyone's wondering what that is. And there was Bitcoin points, Bitcoin rewards. I was like, it's the first time I've actually seen it in person, in real. I could have Bitcoin rewards. I can pay with Bitcoin. I thought, my God, look at that. It's now on Saltgrass. And I was looking all through it, and I thought to myself, yeah, I'm going to buy a little bit tomorrow. I know it's probably going to go down, and you're absolutely right. But dollar cost averaging is the way I buy my stocks. It's the way I do everything, all my investments. And I think, all right, I'll have a little position and I'll set myself. And you have to have, this is the key, this is the hard bit, right? You have to have the discipline to go, if it goes down 5%, don't buy another $300 and then another 5%, another $300. Set yourself your allocation in your portfolio. How much have I got to spend on crypto, or how much have I got to spend on Bitcoin? And go, right, I've got $1,000. That's it. No more, no less. That's it. And I've already spent half of it. All right. Looking at all the knowledge, what you're saying, there's a good chance it could go to 10,000, it could go to less. Right. So don't just buy it every time it goes down 1%, because that's like buying the dips, and eventually, you'll be out in about 5 minutes. Set yourself your target, stick to it, and go, right, I'm going to buy my next $500 or whatever it might be when it goes all the way down to this amount, and stick to it. Otherwise, you get caught up in the emotion of it, and before you know it, you've spent all your money. You're down, 10%, and then all of a sudden you're down 90%, and then there's no more money to buy the dips, and you've had it then.
Before I respond to you, do you want to just answer that super chat? Because somebody put a super chat in there for you.
Yes, I did. I saw that, and I've got to do it very quickly because we got the premiere of the Virgin Orbit video in 15 minutes, and everyone needs to be in that for the cash prize draw on Tuesday. And before then, I've got to sing that song. So very quickly, I will do your song, Tom, for you in a couple of seconds. That's my own single. Anybody out there? But just give your final responses, please, Paul.
I think with the rewards that you found with the when you were, went out with your wife yesterday, secretly you went to McDonald's. I'm not having it. You went for a steak. But anyway, rewards is becoming a common thing now. So crypto.com with their Visa cards, you can earn Pro every time you spend. I think Plutus or something like that was another one that Ali Tisro mentioned. And BTC, obviously, you know yourself, there's more and more places adopting it now. My only concern with it is if this BSV thing really does take hold and he starts winning the majority of court cases, there's going to be a lot of firms that are a bit like, hang on a minute, which one is the real one sort of thing, and that is a problem. And this is where education's going to come into it as well,
Yeah.
because it's going to confuse a lot of people. They're going to go, what the bloody hell's BSV or what's B?
Yeah.
And we've just adopted this, but you're telling us that's the real one.
Yeah.
So with crypto, there's a lot of hurdles still to cross, unfortunately.
Yeah.
And there's a lot of people that are forced, well, not say forced, but when they watch things, they panic and they buy it.
Yeah.
And you're like, just take a step back.
Well, that's why.
Just take a step back.
That's why I've also got BSV. I've got 11 of those. I feel like it's when Bitcoin first come out. You can buy it for $50, and hey, if this is the real Bitcoin, and if this is the one that goes to $1 million, well, then I'm rich, right? I've got 11. I don't need to buy thousands of these. 11's all I need, right?
I mean, that coin. Sorry to interrupt, but that coin, no more than 12 months ago, was £400 to £500 a coin.
Right.
And we're currently at this level. So if we're working on that, and he does start winning these cases, because I believe he's won some already, and it runs alongside the white paper. No Market Profit hates it. But where we are with it, it will rise in value.
Right.
There's no two ways about it. It will rise. So the positions you hold now, don't worry about it.
Yeah.
If you're happy about that,
Yeah.
For me personally, I think that you're probably in a very good place, depending on what happens going forward.
Yeah. Paul B, thank you for your input. Appreciate you very much.
Right.
I know everybody appreciates your cash giveaway for Tuesday. Make sure, guys, when you comment below the video, the Paul B video, and Paul B, make sure you go and comment back all the comments. It's going to be a lot of fun. You're going to see how busy it gets. What I have to do every day, reply back to everyone's comments. But go and do that, Paul. It'd be a lot of fun. Cheers, mate. Thanks for calling in.
It's all right. Take care.
There we go.
Cheers.
There's Paul B. Fantastic. Now then, it's 3 o'clock. The bell has gone. We've only got 15 minutes before the premieres. Now then, this is the Paul B video. This is the one we're going to give away $10. All my Doge. You saw it on the screen. This is what the money I got from Paul B. I bought the Doge. I'm giving all that away on Tuesday. You can watch this video. Each time you watch it, you can get another chance to win. You got to leave the comment, "We love Paul B." Hopefully, Paul B will reply to everyone's comments, because he's the guy who sponsored the event. So that's a lot of fun. All right. Now then, here is the other thing. I've got a request here from CMV Studio who wants to hear my own song. So let's pump out the smoke. Here we go. This is the 2 videos in 14 minutes from now. Right? We're going to watch it live together. Okay? We're going to watch it live together. I'm going to end this show, watch it, and leave the comments with the word SPCE in. You need to watch both of these, and you earn extra points by watching the premieres, and then you can watch it over the weekend as much as you want. And on Tuesday, I'll be giving the $10, which was donated by Brickbrack, who won this morning, but was unable to claim the prize. Said, look, give it to somebody else. So there we go. That goes live in 15 minutes, and make sure you all join me for the live premieres. Let's have a really explosive time. We've got 9 days to go. These are the premieres on the homepage of the YouTube channel, coming up in 15 minutes and 30 minutes from now. Be in the chat, like it, and then leave the comments below. We're going to give away more prizes on Tuesday. I was the one that left early. What happened there? Maybe, Rob. I'll do my best. Right. Let's do it. Let's have a quick day trader of the day, and then we're going to finish with my own song, Anybody Out There, going straight into the premiere. So here we go. Day trader of the day. Everybody, let me bring everybody up to date with a quick commercial. Skip the commercial, go red, press the live button. Here comes the commercial. There it is. We are now live once again with all of you. So let's get everybody into the day trader of the day competition. If you've just joined us, subscribe, ring the bell, and give us a thumbs up. There you go. And here it is, day trader of the day. I'm up 5.6. So up 5.6%. All right, here comes the scores right now. And we're going to give you a moment to catch up, because some of you will be behind because of the commercial. Here's my score. And here we go. Let's skip the ads. We've got so much going on right now. There we go. Okay. All right. Here come the scores. 1 minute on the clock. Anybody out there coming up? Thanks to Tom for giving me a great tip today. All right. 1.18. I'm up 5.6. I'm in the lead right now. Rob McLean is up 2.3. 5.16. NYS goes into the lead with 12.78. He smashes and slaughters it. Great score. Fantastic. I thought I was doing great at 5.6, but no, 12.78. It's gone all the way up. The Queen of Self-Braiding, 3.44. But also has me, I have a go. What's all that about? There we go. Up 12.78. Looks like we got a high score. We got a rush now because we've only got 12 minutes before the premiere. Let's pump out the smoke. Hang on a minute. Where's it gone? There we go. Pump out the smoke. This is my own song. It's a world premiere. Anybody out there for Tom for a $10 tip? Thank you very much indeed. Appreciate it a lot. A lot. Right. There we go. Let's give them a big thank you. Amazon, Vorb, and Space, my top stocks. There you go. I'm glad you're up because of that. Nice one. Give him a thumbs up. There you go. And let's also give him a big round of applause. Are you ready? Here it comes. Boom, boom, boom. There it is. Congratulations to you. That is our NYS 420 today. Lovely stuff. Right, we're going to go over now to the back of the studio because it's blow the channel up time. Special request. Tom has asked for my own song. It's called Anybody Out There. This was a song I released years ago on iTunes. It did pretty well. And I always like to tell people it actually bought my motorbike. It paid for my Yamaha S Phaser. Phaser S when it came out. It actually paid for my motorbike, so I was quite chuffed with that. Anyway, so here we go. We're going to go now into the studio. We're going to blow up the chat. You could do candles and love and whatever you like. There we go. There's the chat screen there. Get everybody involved. And so we're going to do this song, and we're going to flip in TikTok with this damn stupid. Oh, it drives me mad. It can't pick up my face. Anyway, so we're going to do that right now. And here it is one last time. This is, you need to leave the comment SPCE on both of these videos. They premiere in just a few minutes from now. As soon as I finish this show, the first one will go to it. In fact, can I do that? No, I can't. I can't make this video go straight to it. But you can find it here on the homepage of the YouTube channel. There's the two videos that premiere in 10 minutes, 9 minutes, and 20 minutes. All right? Okay, let's do this quickly then. Let's finish off the show with my own song. Thank you, Tom, for the tip. I appreciate it very much. And good luck winning the money. I'll see you all back, of course, on Tuesday. Tuesday, with just a few days to go for our birthday. It's going to be very, very exciting. And let's get straight into it. Okay, I'm going to end it on TikTok. Take care, everybody. See you on youtube.com/The Day Trader 1. Links in the profile. Bye-bye for now. There we go. Let's end it on YouTube, on TikTok. There you go. Swing that round there. And let's get in position. Alrighty. Ay, 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 ay. Here we go. This is actually my own song, as requested by Tom. All right. Here we go, Tom. This is for you, mate. Thank you very much. So here we go. Funny how TikTok is on the side. Yeah, it has to be, looking at the screen. It's just the way it works with TikTok. Anybody? Songs, here we go. Anybody out there for Tom? This is my own single, for those of you who don't know. And, okay, here we go. Okay, thank you very much indeed. We've got to do it quick because in just a few minutes' time, it'll be time to go over to the premiere. I'm trying to see a clock somewhere. There it is. Okay, I see a clock now. I was looking everywhere for a clock because our clock's broken. We've got to buy a new clock. All right, here is Anybody Out There. Is there anybody out there for me? Is there anybody out there to share my life? Is there anybody out there for me to love me for what I am, not what I appear to be? Not for money, not for fame, not again. I remember many years ago, started here playing my songs to the likes of you. I traveled all over the world. I played in every major capital too. As I travel so far and wide, I found a wife, I made a family. Those days are gone now, I'm home alone again, starting over, trying to make things right. Is there anybody out there for me? Is there anybody out there for me to share my life? Is there anybody out there for me? Oh, to love me for what I am, not what I appear to be. Not for money, not for fame, no, not again. I remember when I was 4 years old, I used to play piano beside my dad. When I was sad, when I was glad, my music never let me down. This is my commitment I'm looking for, love to last the rest of my life. People judge me before they know me. They haven't ever been inside my home. Is there anybody out there for me? Is there anybody out there for me to share my life? Is there anybody out there for me? Oh, to love me for what I am, not what I appear to be. Not for money, not for fame, no, not again. What I appear to be, I guess not. I'll have my music in my song. All right, thank you very much. That was a special request for Tom. Absolutely great, Tom. Thank you ever so much for the $10 tip. Really appreciate it very much indeed. And if you ever make a request like that, you get your song played. That was my own song. I hope you liked it. Right, you've got 1 minute. Everybody now, we're going to end the show. We're going to end the show right now. Go to the homepage of my YouTube channel. And are you ready to watch the premiere? Blow up the chat. We want to go viral this weekend just before I go on my Kickstarter for the Virgin Orbit. Everyone leave a comment, and don't forget, leave a comment below, and you can do it as many times as you like. SPCE, and you'll be in the cash prize draw for Tuesday morning on the opening bell. And then a few minutes later, at hour, you get the second part of the video. All right, very, very good. You need to watch both. Get into it. Okay, that's it from me. I'll join you live. Take care of yourselves and each other.